Are you ready for this experience? Come on. Oh, maybe not ready for this experience. Oh, she fell over. This is another travel vlog from Debs and Cathy, and this time we have come. This time
Welsh accent.
This time we've come to Shropshire. Pirate.
Arr.
So, a rundown. What have we been up to, Cathy?
Friday we drove here.
We did. And we arrived at
Foxholes campsite,
right
in Bishop's Castle. It's got a great view. And we put the tent up.
Yeah. Cathy.
Breathing in. Trotted off into town to have a beer at the 3 Tons.
Yes, great beer.
Which is Britain's oldest licensed brewery. Yeah, fact. 1642.
How do you remember this stuff?
I don't know, because I think that's an important date for the Civil War. I think, like, before they got around to fighting each other, they decided to give out brewery licenses.
Right.
Which was a sensible plan on the King's part. I'm ready.
Right.
Quizmaster Debs.
Quizmaster Debs. What is Great Britain's longest river?
God, I know this.
Come on, Cathy. The pressure's on.
The Severn.
Yes! What international border is crossed the most?
This is nothing, Kinloch. Oh, I don't know. I'm sort of toying with USA, Mexico, but then I'm thinking it should be somewhere Asian. Well, I'm just going to say USA, Mexico.
You're right. What are the residents of the island of Lesbos called?
Lesbians.
Is that your final answer?
Well, yeah. Is it right?
Lesbosians.
No.
Yeah.
Let's call ourselves Lesbosians from now on. In one Napoleon did surrender.
Oh yeah. Steak a la Shropshire. How's your steak, Cathy?
It's great.
Yeah?
Yum yum.
Saturday we went for a big walk, didn't we?
Yeah. Started off at Clunbury and walked along to Purslow, saw a kingfisher.
Avoided the cows.
Yeah.
Family splash time. Yeah.
Climbed up by the meadows and then went over past Quum.
Luncheon spot for the day. Can you smell it?
I can smell something. I don't know if I'd say that's pineapple.
Pineapple perfume.
To Hopeton Castle.
And then carried on walking.
Yep.
How you doing, Cathy? Oh. Yeah, surviving.
Here I am.
Here she is. Feels a bit like, what's it called?
The Land of the Giant!
I was going to say, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Oh.
You know, like when the big lawnmower comes across the grass and they're nearly sucked up into
I've
it.
never seen Honey, I Shrunk.
What? What?
It's got a stupid title.
It's really good though.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's got Rick Moranis in it, hasn't it?
I don't know what their names are.
Rick Moranis.
It's good, I promise you. Look, we made it.
We ought to watch
I think I have ever. Ah.
Went over to Abbott, found an amazing vintage tea shop.
There may be teardrops to share. So while there's moonlight and music and love and romance, let's
It was the prettiest cream tea I think I've ever had.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah. So then
We walked back over Clunbury Hill. Got a bit lost because none of the.
Oh yeah.
It was a walk of no paths.
Yeah.
And then it became a walk of no bridleway markers. So we navigated. Debs, when I say we, Debs mainly navigated.
I've done a lot of map holding and navigating this
and
weekend.
reading.
Yeah. I haven't lost it. Still got it.
Yeah. And then we went and had a pint in a pub
In Purslow.
which was nice.
Cathy, I think you should tell us whether this is great beer naturally.
It isn't actually. It's a bit average. average beer, naturally.
What's on the menu tonight, Cathy?
Broccoli and pesto pasta.
What animal would you come back as?
Oh, I'd be a bird, of course I would.
What kind of bird?
A kestrel or a hobby. Or maybe a little owl.
You
Oh
come
my god, I'd be so adorable if I was a little owl. Oh, look how pretty the sky is now.
Ooh.
Sunday we went for a walk up Rounton Hill, which was a hill fort, an Iron Age hill fort, and a nature reserve, but we didn't see any birds, but we got great views.
Great views.
My hair. We're having a weekend away with Wordle Gummidge.
Lara Croft.
And then we came back and went back to the tent and got changed, ready for our Sunday lunch at the Three Tones.
Oh, it's delicious. Really
Roast
recommend
dinner.
that. Yeah. Everything cooked to perfection. When on holiday, go. Fruity.
Came back and lounged outside the tent because it was really hot. Oh god, hot eyes.
Hot eyes.
Hot eyes. Oh, the clouds great.
Yeah.
They're kind of cute. I'm thinking of giving them some names. That one can be Charlotte.
Oh.
I think this one here is Deirdre. The long, big, fat one's Barry.
What about like Kardashian?
Oh no. And then decided to go and have a little look around Clun. Clun.
Another castle. Oh, there's a river. What's the technical term for this way of packing a tent away?
Squashing out the air. Oh, it's nice.
Squashing out the air.
And now we've driven to Ludlow.
So yeah, we're going to explore this a little bit more. It's meant to be like the heart of all things lovely to
Gastronomic.
eat. Yeah. And then look at your happy face. Excited.
Yeah. This is a place of history and greatness, isn't it? Like lots of medieval buildings and rolling hills. Not too many folk.
Yeah, that's why we like it.
That's why we like it.
Yeah. Maybe we'll bring a gaggle of friends next time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that'd be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, that's it.